Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the steps you need to take to integrate Asana with Slack, your two favorite productivity tools. To start, we need to open up Slack. Now, why are we doing this first? Because Slack is where we're going to install the Asana app. This helps us because it allows for seamless integration, making your project management and communication a breeze. Next up, head over to the Slack app directory. Here, you're going to search for Asana. The reason we do this is to find the official Asana app for Slack. This official app ensures that you're getting the best integration possible between the two platforms. Once you've found the Asana app, click on the Add button. This step is important because it initiates the integration process. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Slack is now creating a secure link between itself and Asana. Now that we've done that, we need to configure the app. This is where you set your preferences for how Asana works within Slack. For example, you can choose which Asana updates you want to see in Slack and in which channels you want them to appear. This helps us because it allows for customization and ensures that you only see the notifications that matter to you. Lastly, you need to authenticate your Asana account. This is done by simply logging into your Asana account when prompted by Slack. The reason we do this is to verify your identity and ensure the secure transfer of data between the two platforms. And there we have it. You've successfully integrated Asana with Slack. Let me explain why this matters. By integrating these two platforms, you're able to streamline your workflow, improve team communication, and ultimately increase productivity. So, go ahead, start managing your projects and communicating with your team more efficiently. Remember, the goal is to work smarter, not harder. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay productive.